Why the Earth must control other planets and natural satellites. Controlling other planets is a dream of humans. They began to think about it from olden ages. Why they can't control it? They don't know much about constructing time-space polarities favorable for them. Space journeys are very much riskful. Anytime anything can happen. From rocket fuel leaks to short circuits can hinder their journey. A kind of life-sustaining polarity imbalances. I knew many astronauts and space scientists crying after seeing their efforts went useless. 11 years of hard work and dreams, within seconds turning into ashes. Very much heartbreaking. Why can't we travel from planets to planets? We can move from New York to Beijing within seconds. We have those technologies. Obliterate spheroid structures must be accessed using intellect. Can the spheres move if those variable polarities of spheres across both poles adjusted? From poles to space, there is not much distances from surface to space. In the case of Earth, around 100kmillionCond. Just tie a long chain attached to titanium sphere, fix it on the center of Arctic Ocean and Antarctic Ocean, shoot it towards space. Now the sphere reached space on both hemispheres. Let the rotation and revolution balance, then add weight onto the hollow titanium sphere, roping travel. Gold platinum-like spheres are less salt corrosive. Use ocean water for weight addition. Now control the variable polarities. The variable forces that move the Earth towards other planets must be intelligently constructed. We know how to destroy those asteroid belts. In some planets there are diamond rains. In some planets there are golden hot springs. In some there are aromas, which humans have never experienced. Humans must experience it. Make all those spheres as a vehicle of transportation to other galaxies. Use the earthly balanced amism polarities. Polarity restructuring is about visiting the heavens before the destruction of Earth. What miracles humans can't create with their intellect. Someone asked me yesterday, what is your opinion about Cockroaches Party and their strikes? If they feel Indian education system polarities and reward polarities are drafted for the superior evolutionary groups, in democracies they have right to protest. They finds out that their valuable time is getting stealed by crooked individuals, they can reconstruct the system. This is why amism ideology brings the egalitarianism polarity to its theory. Comparative advantages excites humans, hence intelligent humans now construct the polarities of less intelligent. This divide is a usual phenomenon from British colonial times. It's continuing. Democracy itself is its construct. Why the Earth must control other planets and natural satellites. Controlling other planets is a dream of humans. They began to think about it from olden ages. Why they can't control it? They don't know much about constructing time-space polarities favorable for them. Space journeys are very much riskful. Anytime anything can happen. From rocket fuel leaks to short circuits.